Hi, this is Neil Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, where we help people right here in Australia start their own business selling things on Amazon right around the world. We've got over 2,000 members with sales of over $50 million. You can find out more by going to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. In this video, I do a critique of a brutal critique of a product that is currently not selling very well at all here on Amazon. So we're going to start with a listing critique. Here is in the chat, in the question, let's just put it in here. Send to all. There you go. So I'm going to get your feedback. So this is a listing that somebody asked me to critique for them. And of course, I'm very, very happy to do that. So if you want your product critiquing, then just send it through. And I'm happy to do that on a Q&A. Just know, of course, that will get broadcast to everybody else. But if you're cool with that, all good. So this is one of the AOE members who sent me this through, and they said, my product is not selling. Can you help me understand why? And what they've done is they've actually taken their stock out of Amazon in lieu of getting this organized because it just wasn't selling. So what do you reckon? Why isn't this selling? What's going on? Why isn't this selling? What's going on? The price, I think, I don't know what the price is. We'll have to kind of make a number up. I don't know. Guess. Let's do everything but price, Simon. So let's do everything but price. Now, that's so weird. That's how weird that looks. Is it me? Well, I'm going to start. So you guys chip in. You guys chip in. So what the hell is this? It says O grape plus resveratrol. And that groove there looks like it's weird. Don't you reckon that groove sign kind of makes your head hurt looking at it? I've got no idea what this is. It says here it's a multivitamin supplement with those things, but you couldn't tell that, could you, from that particular hero image? The product itself is a multivitamin, but how the hell would you know that? Just wouldn't know. It's very, very peculiar. And that groove there, that's probably some designer who went, this looks awesome, this looks groovy, but really it looks crap. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be one of those. So what do you reckon? What's going on with it? So there's lots of things to critique here, lots of things. So it needs more reviews, says Joel. It's got 3 ratings. It needs more reviews. Absolutely it does. 3 ratings is not enough in this particular category, which is in supplements, antioxidants, resveratrol. Holy shit. So it's in a super competitive category. You've got to bring your A game, man oh man, your A game to supplements, because you're competing with some very, very smart marketers. So you need ratings. I agree. Color of the bottle, says Abdulaziz. I agree. The bottle color is weird. And that grape thing, like, why take up that awesome real estate with something that nobody gives a shit about? Nobody gives a shit about your brand name being grape. They don't give a rat's ass about that. That funky packaging here, well, that's awesome. But again, who cares? Nobody's giving that as a gift. You know what I mean? Like, here is an example of awesome packaging that nobody would really give a rat's ass about, because this is not being given as a gift. It's something that you're going to get, and you don't even get it yourself as a gift for yourself. Anyway, that's a wasted thing, complete waste of time. That looks like I'm taking poo tablets. Why did they make the tablets brown? They look like poo. I wouldn't include that at all. And then the supplements facts. All right, so it's just got a lot of resveratrol in it, although not very much resveratrol. But let's not get picky about the product itself. Let's focus on the listing. What else do you reckon? Can't tell what it is at first glance, says Maria. It's not engaging, says Karen. The brand distracts from the product explanation. Yeah, completely agree, Jess. Yeah, that's a designer who's done that rather than anything else. What else we got? Something for anti-aging. Yeah, no clue what it is. Pictures are too small. I agree. Let's just go back to the pickies. So let's see how big the pictures are. Oh, they've got the good size images. That's all good. Yep. There needs a person in the pictures, perhaps. Who is it for? Doesn't say. You're right. There's no people in the images. It's confusing. There's no lifestyle images. No benefits, says Karen. Let's have a quick look at the text. So we've established the images are shit. The actual title, Oh Grape by Groove multivitamin supplement. That search term there, multivitamin supplement, would be ludicrously competitive. Holy shit. That would be so competitive. Can you imagine trying to rank for that? Vitamin D3, resveratrol, magnesium, vitamin C, immune support, antioxidant, 60 capsules. Yes, the title needs work, because right now it's just a bit of a dog's dinner, don't you reckon? What about here? Why Oh Grape? Oh Grape is the first high potency. Really, is it? Enjoying the amazing benefits of resveratrol plus extra immune support, blah blah blah, all in one place. Okay, immune support, antioxidants, cognitive enhancer. So it looks like they've and magnesium. Well, that's not really very unique. But anyway, let's not get bogged down in that. Let's have a look at this. So here's their A+ content. Difficult to read. 500 milligrams of resveratrol. That is so hard to read, don't you reckon? That image over there on the left. 150 grams of magnesium. Yeah, this is not good. Not good. And this drop shadow lettering is terrible to read. Oh, our first person, Lisa. Hello, Lisa. You should have been all the way up here on one of these images, don't you reckon? Yeah, I agree. All right, so, and then the important information. Here's something what we don't really get to talk about very much. This part here, important information. There isn't really, on the back of Seller Central, there's a lot more information that you could have given on this particular listing about the product that you haven't put in. So my advice would be to fill in as much as possible in Seller Central backend. You're leaving nothing out. You've got some reviews, that's cool, but you've only got 3. Clearly you need more. All right. Can we check the video? Yes, it's hard to read. Fancy boxes adding to the cost. What is resveratrol? It's videos. You guys want to see the videos? All right. So the videos, notice what they've done is videos for this product. There's one here, and then videos for related products. So that ought to tell you Amazon's putting other people's products. Let's just open one up. Dunk, 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 Mr. Shiny Teeth. Other people's products on your listing. That clearly tells you you've missed a trick by not putting your own videos on there. And look at how many products, videos they could have put on. And here's the links for Purity Lab. So I can now go and buy the good one. Let's click through. Here's a much better one. Much better listing. Ooh, nice. See how different that is? It's just night and day as far as the listing quality goes. There you go. So we have been pretty brutal, I admit, but still. Grape looks like the flavor and not the brand. Yeah, that's a really good point. All right, so hope that was useful. We've been pretty brutal on that, but I think that you would agree it is much better that we're brutal than you waste money trying to sell something that you've not done a very, very good job of the selling process. I reckon it's much better to get some honest truth than for us to just sugarcoat shit and give you platitudes that ain't going to help at all. Thanks for your help with that, guys. That was a video taken from my live weekly Q&A with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. If you'd like to find out more about joining the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel. It helps heaps with the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.